to Kidz Vidz. I hope you're all doing well. In the comments, in my previous videos, a couple of users named Minecraft Player, Nintendo Player, and Sampath Kumar requested me to make a cardboard Nintendo Switch. So in this video, I decided to make the same. So the materials you'll need are cardboard, hot glue gun, pencil, ruler, scissors, and glue. So let's get started. So step 1 is to draw a rectangle 7 inches by 4 inches. I've already drew one, so I'm going to cut it out. Now we'll cut 2 more rectangular identical pieces just like this. So the next step is to draw another rectangle 4 inches by 1.5 inches, and we're going to cut that out. So now we'll use this to create 5 more rectangular pieces just like this. So what we have so far is 3 rectangles, 7 inches by 4 inches, and another 6 rectangles, 4 inches by 1.5 inches. So we're going to take one of these big rectangle pieces, and we're going to draw 2 rectangles, 8 centimeters by 1 centimeter on both sides, and let's cut it out. So this is how it would look like. For the next step, for the remaining 6 pieces, we're going to take 2 of them, and I'm going to draw 2 rectangles, 2 centimeters by 1 centimeter, and the same thing on the other one. And for all 6 pieces, we're going to draw a little curve. So let's cut it out. Let's do it for the other piece as well. For the remaining 4 pieces, we'll also put a curve. So the next step is to assemble our Nintendo Switch tablet. So we're gonna glue this piece we already cut on these lines first. So we're gonna glue these on the edges, and we're gonna stick it on top over here. And then we're gonna take the other piece and stick it on top of here. And then now let's glue them up. Let's take the other piece as well. Our console is ready, so now let's start working on the Joy-Cons. So for the Joy-Cons, I've cut 6 pieces, as you can see right here. And I forgot to tell you one more thing. You have to cut 1 more centimeter for these 4 pieces, so it'll be easily you can stick on here. So let's glue them all together so you can create 2 Joy-Cons. Now, let's stick the other piece as well. This is how one of the Joy-Cons look like, so let me glue the other Joy-Con. My Nintendo Switch is finally ready. So, this is the console and these are the 2 Joy-Cons. So let's try sliding in the Joy-Cons inside the console. Wow, it looks amazing. Now, here comes the favorite part of my video, decorating it. So, I've got some printouts. This is for the blue Joy-Con, this is the red Joy-Con, and this is the blue Joy-Con. And this is the main screen. So, let's glue them all together. My Nintendo Switch is finally ready. So as you can see, I've added some paper on the edges to make it look more realistic. And as you can see right here. So let's slide the Joy-Cons in and see how it looks like. Bye guys! If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions, please put it in the comment section down below. Bye guys!